beautiful human being. Here's Didi from Yoga Fitter and Stronger Forever. How are you feeling today? How is the energy? Welcome back to my channel. So I had a problem with my microphone and with the light. I managed to fix the microphone, but the light is a bit bright. But listen, let's just be grateful for what we have, okay? And come and join me into the light. Okay, so we're going to have a little guided breathing mantra session, okay? So there was a previous one before that was for complete beginners, level 1. So this is still beginners level, but I would say now we are going to try to explore a little bit deeper into the breath. Also remember that I know that it's hard. I know how hard it is to sit down, to take a couple of minutes to breathe, but I'd say given the situation, okay, in the world, the fact that we are very not sure about the virus, about what's going to happen in the future, I would really encourage you to join me and to take a couple of minutes, okay, to relax, to chill out, and then to focus on your breath. Breath is very important because it will enable you to figure out if you are healthy or if you are unhealthy. So there is a very good indicator if you want to check. It's called BHT. So it's called breath whole time. So there will be this, let's say, technique will be able to indicate you if you are healthy, if you have, let's say, any difficulty to breathe, if you are super healthy, or if you have some reasons to be concerned about your health and developing possible ailments due to this, okay? So if you are unable to, let's say, exhale for more than 2 and inhale for more than 2, so if you like this, okay, there is really a concern, and I would really recommend you to maybe go to see a general practitioner, somebody that will be able to, let's say, have a look at your lungs and at your heart. So this guided breathing pranayama mantra session is really to help you to figure it out. And we're going to, so remember that we're going to start by inhaling. So we always inhale by inflating the belly, okay, using the diaphragm. So the diaphragm is pushing up when you exhale, and it's actually pushing down on an inhale, okay? We're going to explore the breath. So it's inhale in 4, and then when you reach the top, you hold the breath for 4, and then once you exhale in 4, and you're going to stall there. So if you want to place your hands on your belly, that will be easier. And remember that then when you exhale, you draw the belly button down towards the spine, okay? Of course, if you run out in difficulty, okay, if you have some tension, creativity in the body, in this case, you can just come back to a natural breath. So the sound that we're going to use, the mantra to inhale, it's sung, and the sound that we're going to use for the exhale is ham, okay? So please check my previous video, because the previous video is actually a little bit easier than that one, okay? So further down the road, we will be really going high, and we will be holding the breath for 10 seconds. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Okay, so let's do it together. Come on to a nice, comfortable seated position. Join me into the light. Okay, join me, and then we're going to explore, to go deeper into the light and to go away from the darkness. So place the top of your hand onto the knees. Maybe if you've never done that before, place the right hand onto the belly and then take a deep breath out. Lovely. I'm going to actually remove the music so then we can focus onto the mantra. So Sung, inhale, and Ham, exhale. Lovely. So as you breathe in, inflate the belly. Okay, so we're going to hold the breath on top for 4. So inhale in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on top for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exhale in 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1. And then hold, stall for 4. So if you want, you can place your hands onto your belly and hold it here for 4. It's like if you were stalling in a car, okay? You stall for 4. You just don't move, don't do anything, just hold your belly. And then you will enjoy another inhalation. So 4, okay, 4 breaths, inhale, 2, 3, 4, just relax the shoulders, relax the jaws, reach the top, hold for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then exhale in 4, so 4, 3, 2, 1, stall here for 4. So don't contract, okay, your shoulders, don't contract your belly, just rest there and maybe smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of repetitions. Let's do 10 of them. 10 is enough for today, okay? And then I'll talk to you after. Okay, so right hand onto the belly, and left hand onto your left knee. And then we start. So the mantra is Sung on an inhale and Ham on an exhale. Here we go. Sung. Hold for 4 on top. And Ham. Stall for 4. And inhale again in 4. Sung. Hold on top for 4. Exhale in 4. Hum. Stall for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then inhale again. Sung. Hold. Exhale. 4. Hum. Stall for 4. Keep a long spine. Inhale 4. Sung. Hold for 4. Exhale in 4. Hum. Stall for 4. Inhale 4. Sung. Hold from top. And exhale. Hum. Hold. Inhale and 4. Sung. Hold for 4 on top. Hum. for 4. Inhale 4, inflate the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold in 4. And hum. Hum. Stall in 4. Hold it. Inhale. Sum. Hold for 4. Hum. Hold it. Sum. Hold on top for 4. Hum. Hold for 4. Inhale. Sum. Hold for 4. And hum. Stall for 4. Hold it. And then gently relax. So if you want to keep on practicing at home with this new rhythm, 4-4-4-4, I hope you feel better after. I really feel myself that I have actually more oxygen into my belly and into my lungs. If you get ready for the day, or if you're going to bed, even better to do that before going to bed. You can also do it, and it's actually preferable if you do it between 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Okay, every day. I hope it helps. I hope you'll take care of your health, and if you want to take care of your health, one of the best way is to take care of your breath. From there, try not to stress too much, to try not to think too much, and I will see you next time. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.